Let's go, shrimp tempura. Look at that. Yummy. No, not me. Oh, look at that. Sheesh. Yummy. Asa. Chopstick. Grabe.
Egg boy.
Look at that. Thank you, ya, handsome boy.
Ano isa niya? One-sided.
Tagay, puno manghot. One-sided ba tagay?
Kilid na pa akong good tak.
No, I'm trying to practice like up though. No, I'm practicing. No, because I used to do this, which is not the right one. It's this. I know, that's what I'm doing right now.
Ang sound na naman sound natin.
Ano yan?
Saan mo nagkukunan na yun?
Ano yan? I control this.
Taas na makikita.
Yummy.
Uy, tanaw mo ba?
Why does he need...
Bijoy mami.
Iputol-putol. Stop na.
Someone immune
Putla.
Guys, hindi ang binakutsara ni Justin.
Sige, mix. Mikos na insan.
Rice man yan.
Lagi na yung rice sa buto.
Yawang leaf up.
Kutsara na ba?
Yan, tanong leaf.
It's bulgogi beef. Bulgogi.
Take a stack. I got a frying pan.
What you call that? Pork?
Frying pan.
Fire? Pork barbecue.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You alive that?
Yep.
Enjoy.
Kuya pa.
Oh,
In fairness, lang nilang pagkaon.
I think it's worth it for the money. Personally, me.
Because you're not paying for it.
That's why it's worth it.
What? Worth it for? Hey,
money.
Korean boy?
For the money.
It's worth it?
Oh my god.
Delicious? It looks delicious, eh? What's mine? But it looks dry. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Bro doesn't know how to pick a price.
Di ka magmahal sa price. Di ka magmahal.
Oh, the rice is so good. Like,
Yes.
it's like a sin with like something.
It's Japanese rice.
It's Korean rice.
Tama yan? Delicious?
Oh my god. I got a frying pan.
What you call that? Pork?
Frying pan.
Fire? Pork barbecue.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You alive that?
Yep.
Enjoy.
Kuya pa.